Hello guys, welcome to yet another episode on my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make greens in the simplest ways possible with the most simple and available ingredients that you have. So our today's greens of course is kales and spinach, or rather sukuma wiki and spinach. So I'll be taking you through my ingredients step by step. And if you're new here, do not forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. So there is my oil, my greens. We have salt and Royco cubes, and we have 1 large onions. I really prefer my greens with a lot of onions. It really brings out a very good taste. So straight on to cooking. I'll start by placing my onions into the sufuria without the cooking oil for about 10 seconds. It's more of steaming the onions. Then I will now later on add my cooking oil. Yes, cooking oil, and we'll start frying the onions. Well, after I have added my cooking oil, I will stir my onions for maybe 5 seconds. Then I'm going to add my Royco cubes, and I will be grinding them using my hands. And of course, I'll also add salt. Then now I'll let my onion simmer for about maybe two or less, let's just say 1 to 2 minutes. And yeah, let's see what happens next. As you can see, this is what we get after leaving my onions to simmer for 2 minutes. So I'm going to stir just a little bit, then add my next ingredient. Oops, before adding my next ingredient, I'll have to let my onions cook for another 2 minutes. Yes, to this point, then I'll be able to add my next ingredient. As you can see, yes, this is what I was talking about. This is the close to golden brown color that I wanted to attain for my onions, so that we add my next ingredient. Once I've added my greens, I'll cover it for about 5 minutes for the greens to shrink, not skuma the greens. Then I will be able to stir and mix up the onions with the skuma. I'll let it simmer for around 3. Yes, it will be simmering for 3 minutes, and stick around to see how the final product looks like. This is how the final product looks like. Just take a look. It really looks good. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. I love you guys. Bye.